tomorrow is the day we move into the habitat, and then we are isolated and start the phase where we do all our experiments. Yeah, what we are trying to do is called exploration cascade. So if you imagine that people go to Mars, they will need at first aerial pictures, for example, by drones or maybe even satellites and then drones, and then they will send rovers to look at the places that they find interesting and where it makes most sense to send humans, because human space-time is limited due to radiation and the harsh environment, and that's what we try to simulate here. So we try to collect a lot of information about the environment with drones and robots, and then we go out as analog astronauts with the spacesuit simulators to collect samples and then also do other experiments on the inside. I am the commander, which basically means if there's any decision to be made or any emergency situation, for example, that I have to react. That's my responsibility. But other than that, we are a team of scientists with different backgrounds. So we come together and everyone brings their expertise, and we really work seamlessly with each other. So it's not as if I give the commands and everyone has to listen, but it's more like cooperative, and everyone does what they can best. And maybe emergency is not the right word, but what we do is trying to find what can go wrong or where the gaps are, right? Because everything is experimental, so it could be that something is not working, or that something takes way longer than expected. So, or even that maybe some technology behaves differently than we were expecting. I don't know if you saw, we have one rover that fires little sensors to distribute them in the environment, so it can get stuck, and then maybe if you try to remove it, it can then fire the rocket. So we have to be really careful. So safety is our foremost concern, that we always try to stay safe and do everything fine. But still, unexpected events can happen, and then we have to react and to take the best measures. But that's also good, but because every time something unexpected happens, then we know, oh, that's something you have to look out for and we have to prepare for. So it's better it happens now than on Mars, and that's why we do it.